A mosquito bite may look harmless, but some mosquitoes can be dangerous. The female Anopheles mosquito spreads malaria. She usually bites in the early morning or evening. When she bites, she injects Plasmodium parasites into the blood. These tiny parasites are invisible, but they are about to start their journey inside your body. After entering the blood, the sporozoites move quickly through the bloodstream. Their first target is the liver, where they will hide and grow before attacking red blood cells. Inside the liver, each sporozoite enters a liver cell. Here, it multiplies into thousands of new parasites called merozoites. This is the exoerythrocytic stage, or liver stage. When liver cells burst, merozoites are released into the blood to infect red blood cells. The merozoites invade red blood cells. Inside, they feed and grow. Eventually, the cells burst, releasing more merozoites and toxins into the blood. This causes fever, chills, and weakness. The cycle repeats every 48 to 72 hours, depending on the Plasmodium species.